Different stages of the building project: idea and conception. This is where a project is conceived and the need for a project is identified and its purpose defined. After defining the purpose and need for this project, the next phase is the planning and design phase. In this stage, professionals are engaged, majorly a project manager or an architect. This professional helps to select the project team, which includes other professionals required on the project, such as engineers, surveyors, contractors, and others. This team of expert professionals now help begin the design phase of the project and also feasibility studies, assessments, estimating and planning, permits and approvals. This stage is simply where approvals and permits for construction are obtained from the respective regulatory bodies. These permits can include but not limited to building permits, fire safety compliance, environmental impact analysis, amongst many others. The next stage is the pre-construction stage. This is the stage where contractors are selected by preference or through bidding, depending on the size of the project. Also, site preparation, access, procurement of materials, site office and store, and other amenities such as water and power supply are catered for. This allows for the project to commence and continue seamless construction. This is where actual construction is carried out, from foundation to block laying, all the way to the painting and cleaning, commissioning and handing over. This is the stage where the completed project is handed over to the project owner and proper inspection and sign up on the job completion certificate has been done. Maintenance and post-construction. This stage is very important and often overlooked. This stage, however, ensures that the completed project remains functional and safe. Most parts of a completed building require regular maintenance, such as cleaning, servicing, pruning, and sometimes evacuation. When these are not done, the overall lifespan, safety, and functionality of the project is compromised. The building is a process, not an event. Skipping stages creates problems later.